Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Makeover with Yashika. My name is Yashika Verma. Please watch this. This is by my makeup artist Sameer Kozami. I'm gonna recreate this on my skin. I don't have even skin tone, but I want to recreate this and want to see the final result, what it will look on my skin or an Indian skin tone. Sameer does the one layer makeup very well, and that is especially useful when you have a mature skin, like you don't want apply heavy products on your skin but needs a little bit dimension. For this, one layer makeup is best. You still get all the products on your face and still get the dimension, and keep it just one layer. He skips foundation and directly go for the dimension products. I'm just going to follow his tutorial step by step in this video. I always start with the moisturizer, but if you have a mature skin, go for an anti-aging moisturizer. Today I am using Ambrollis moisturizer. I am going in with the Dimension product. For that I am using Blue Heaven concealer in the shade Chocolate. As I said, I am going apply exactly like him. I am going to follow his tutorial step by step to see the results are going to be similar. He is going for really light highlighter shade. For that I am using Swiss Beauty concealer, and this is very lightweight and give you the exact amount of coverage. This concealer has amazing formula. It blends beautifully and give you amazing finish to your face. It maybe looks so weird right now, but you just have to trust the process. I like to start deeper product blending first and then going to the lighter product. As you can see, this is one layer. I'm not applied any foundation, only dimension products to create the dimension to my face. But do not use this trick on the daily basis or every day. This is only for special events. Don't worry if it looks harsh right now. It will come together in the end. The way these products blends out is a dream, and now I am blending out the concealer. And I noticed blending this one layer product definitely decrease my fine lines and wrinkles which appears with multiple layer. This is giving you a natural lifted sculpted look without looking heavy on the face, and also allowed you to skin breathe and look youthful and radiant. He does apply little bit of powder, but he uses only for the baking. Now I'm going to bake exactly how he's baking. I'm going to let this sit just like he did before I finish up the eye makeup and does this off. The eye makeup is simple and clean. I'm using deeper brown because he is using deeper brown in the crease. Maybe the color is different, but the trick is the same. I'm going to blend this out at the crease. Make sure use very less product at a time and do it very light handed. This is buildable product. I am applying brown kajal under my lower lash line and going to blend it with the brown eyeshadow. I use very small blending brush to blend this out. Applying the same kajal on my upper lash line and not going to smudge it out, so it will give a amazing effect to your lash line. I'm not going to apply a false lashes, that's why I am taking a little bit of dark eyeshadow and going to blend it on my upper lash line so that my lash line will look thick. Now quickly filling my brows with the eyeshadow. It's a brown eyeshadow, and I am filling my eyebrows with the angular brush. Now dust off my excess powder. The baking is done, my base is set. So it's important, if you are applying a mascara, before that you have to set your base, otherwise your mascara will messed up. So it's important to bake your face, or you are going to set your base with a compact or a powder, just do it before the mascara. This mascara is from Swiss Beauty. I just love this mascara. I'm not going to apply eyelashes. This mascara works amazingly. It separates the lashes very amazingly, and this mascara is very amazing. So I am in love with my eye makeup. Never used this shimmer shade on my lid before, so I'm in love with this. It's kind of brown smoky eyes. Now for the lips, he used nude lipstick, and for that I am using a lip liner which is the same kajals from Mars, the same brown kajal I used as a liner, and the lipstick is from Baked Beauty. The shade is amazing, and after that I am going to apply a gloss. This is from Swiss Beauty. It's a little bit of pink shade, and this is the whole look. This is from the front camera. I am totally in love. If you love this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your glam squad, and of course, subscribe for more makeup looks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.